Hello children. Today I have come up with the concept of being verbs. Now look at the board. The words am, are and is. These three types of words tell us something or someone is. That means we understand the presence of something or someone through these words. They are called being verbs. Now I have given a list: am, is, are, was, were. These are the being verbs. Now is, are, was, were. These are also known as helping verbs. Moving on to the examples. I am late today. So in this sentence, am is the being verb and it shows the presence of I. She is 8 years. She is reflected. The presence of she is reflected in this sentence through is. 8 years old. Where are you going? It's a question. Where are you going? So the presence of you can be felt through are. He was their youngest son. Was. Was and were are used when the sentence is in past tense. I will be giving you a concept of tenses in future, but here just understand that was and were are used if we try to show the meaning of the sentence done in the past. That means the work, what they are doing in the sentence has been done long before. So in case of present form we will use am, is and are, and in case of past form was and were will be used. Was will be used if the person is in singular form, and were will be used if the person or persons are in plural form. Here I have mentioned they. And is will go with she, he, all singular number. Am will always go with I. This is the full concept of being verbs. Moving on to the use of has, have, had. Has, have and had are verbs which show possession. Possession means ownership. You have that particular thing. You are the owner of that particular thing. Let us go to the examples. The concept will be clear to you. I have a pen. So I am in possession of that pen. For that I will use have. Have will always go with I and you. She has some new story books. Has will go with singular subject. He, she, any name. It, like this. They had some new stamps. Had will go with they in plural form. Have and had. So both the concepts of being verbs and has, have, had has been reflected in this video. Hope you have understood the concept. I will come up with exercises on these concepts so the picture will look more clearer to all of you. Thank you, children.